Hey guys, it's Lath at Price Action Tools. Just want to do a quick demo on the advanced second entry indicator. So let me go through the settings first. Advanced second entry. So currently we have only show second entries. So we'll go ahead and disable that so we see all entries, and reset at equal high low. You know, that's a standard for price action trading. So there's no reason to disable that. So I'm going to leave it on. I can talk about it later if needed. Okay, so now we see every entry, right? So you see the first entry, second entry, third entry, and fourth entry long here. First entry short. So I like to, unless you're still learning how to count legs, I like to disable this and just look at the second entry, longs, shorts, higher lows, and lower highs. This is one of the reasons why this is an advanced second entry indicator and not just standard. So let me go back into indicators and disable that. Advanced second entry. And we're going to disable all the entries by enabling this. Only show second entries. So with that enabled, in addition to show lower high and higher lows is good. Now you'll see all of everything, all the setups without looking at the numbers. Okay, so let's just check that. So here we got first entry, second entry short. That's correct. Coming back down here, we have first entry long, second entry long, first entry short, second entry short. And if counting from the EMA, you got another second entry short here, first entry long, second entry long. So this is all good. And let's see, why is this lower high here? Because if you start down here, you get a first entry short, second entry short, and then up here is a lower high confirming the second entry short. So that's all good. And then here we have first entry long, second entry long. That's actually a good setup because it's bouncing off this trend line. If we come over here, all these setups look valid to me. First entry long, second entry long, counting from the EMA, first entry short, second entry short. Same thing here. Second entry long looks valid. Right here we got a nice little uptrend. So this needs a new high. I would be looking for a second entry long, first entry long, second entry long, and there we get it. Boom. And in fact, second entry long combined with a second entry short, failed second entry short that is a good setup. So this right here, this bar, since this high hasn't been tested yet, that would be a good setup. And that's why you got that big push up. Now we have a break of this bigger trend line. Okay, so break, new high. So nothing up here I would take. We have to wait for the next market cycle. So let's see what we get. Okay, here we got a nice push up. So this uptrend needs a new high. So I'd be using the indicator to find second entry for this uptrend. So here you got a first entry. Only problem here is that this downtrend is still in play. So I would skip that, especially after this bigger uptrend just played out. So here, and except in this case, this is a very bullish day. We had this bigger uptrend, and then we got this spike in channel, this very strong uptrend here. So this right here I would take because it's a failure. So first entry short, second entry short, failure. This is actually a decent setup right here. Okay, so there we go. So this uptrend played out from this new high here. So I would definitely not do anything here. You can go through here. And there we go. That's the whole day.